This is the 8 pieces of Brocades Qigong Practice, 8段锦. Ready position. Open the left foot, shoulder width apart. Slightly bend the knees, holding the hands in front of the navel. In a Zhanzhuang position, keep the spine naturally straight, breathing naturally. Allow the mind to be peaceful and relaxed. Keep your attention on the lower dantian. 2 hands hold up the heavens to regulate the internal organs. Interlace the fingers. Inhaling, lift up the palms, looking up. Look forward. Exhaling, release the hands, circling down. Interlace the fingers. Inhale, rise up. Look up. Look forward. Exhale, release down. Slightly bend the knees. Inhale, rise, pushing up. Straight the knees. Exhale, release down. Inhale, rise, pushing up. Look forward. Exhale, release down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise. Posing as an archer, shooting both left and right. Cross wrist, step open, shooting. Step back. Cross wrist, step open, shooting, step back, cross wrist, step open, shooting, step back. Cross wrist, step open, shooting, step back. Cross wrist, step open, shooting, step back. Cross wrist, step open, shooting, step back halfway, holding one arm aloft to regulate the functions of the spleen and stomach. Inhaling, lift one hand, palm up, other hands pushing down. Exhaling, release down, Zhanzhuang. Inhale, lift up other side, knees straight. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift up. Pushing away. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift up. Pushing away. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift, pushing away. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift, pushing away. Looking backward to prevent sickness and strain. Back to Zhanzhuang, palms down. Inhaling, lift, palms facing back. Exhale, roll the arms up, look back. Inhale, return. Lift, exhale, roll the arms up, look back, other side. Inhale, return. Lift, exhale, look back. Inhale, return. Lift, exhale, look back. Inhale, return. Lift, look back. Return. Lift. Sway the head and shake the tail to expel fire through the heart and relieve stress. Step open. Inhale, lift palms up, circle down. Lean left, rotate right. Sway the head, shake the tail. Lean right, rotate left. Sway head, shake tail. Lean left, rotate right. Sway head, shake tail. Lean right, rotate left. Sway head, shake tail. Lean left, rotate right. Sway head, shake tail. Lean right, rotate left. Sway head, shake tail. Lift hands up. Step back halfway, moving the hands down the back and legs and touching the feet to strengthen the kidneys and waist. Inhale, lift hands up. Exhale, press down. Cross, massage down from armpits back to heels. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, press down. Cross, massage back, legs. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press down. Cross, massage down. 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 Inhale, lift. Thrusting the fist and making the eyes glare to enhance strength and chi. Clench fist. Step right. Exhale, thrusting, eyes glaring. Grasp. Inhale, jaw back. Thrust, glare. Grasp, jaw back. Thrust, glare, 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 grasp, jaw back. Bouncing on the heels to cure diseases. Step back. Inhale, rise the heels. Exhale, halfway, bouncing down. Inhale, rise the heels. Exhale, 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 closing form. Inhale, draw the hands from sides. Exhale, overlapping the hands at the dantian, about 2 inches below the navel. Male with left hand inside to regulate qi. Female with right hand inside to regulate blood. Soften eyes. Body and mind relaxed. Breathing slow and calm. Focus the qi to the lower dantian. Rubbing hands. Massage face. Massage your arms. Gently knocking and massage the legs. The gallbladder meridian to help detox and relax. Massage your lower back. Wishing you health and happiness. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to click the subscribe button to make sure you stay up to date on all of our new Qigong and Yoga videos.